If you frequently play Fortnite and you're getting bored of your username, then here's an easy way to change it. On your Windows or Mac computer, launch your browser, then access the Epic Games website. Log into your account. From the top menu, navigate to your username, then click Account. In the general settings, you can change your display name on the Account Info section by clicking on the Edit icon. A new window will appear, and you just have to type in your new display name, then confirm your selection. Take note, you'll have to wait for 2 weeks before you can change your display name again. You can also change your display name on Fortnite using your iOS or Android phone. Simply open your browser, then go to the Epic Games website. Next, tap the menu or 3 horizontal lines on the upper right-hand part of your screen. On the bottom, tap Sign In and log into your account. On the main page, tap your username, then select Account. Tap the Edit icon beside your display name, type in your new desired name, and confirm your choice. The next time you play, your new display name will show up. If you find this video helpful, make sure to click like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification icon to watch other how-to videos. Also, check out these other cool guides that we think can help you out.